Hello dear viewers, Assalamualaikum. I'm still in another garden. This garden is situated on the roadside. Its garden is full of flower and plant. I like it. There's a big flower tree, but there's a big flower. This flower color is red. I like it. So interesting. And there's a mango tree, but there's no mango. I like mango. And we can see there's some small plant. I don't know this plant name because it's so small. I have no idea. And we can see many get full flower plant and tree. I like this plant and tree because its color is pink, white, red, etc. Its plant is so small but full of flower. I like this. And we can see there's a tiny rose tree, but there is no flower. But it looks so small. There's also a tiny rose tree. I like it. Wow, there are many flower. I like it. This flower color is pink. And we can see some worker take care of the garden,
the plant.
watering the plant. I also see a get flower tree. This color is pink. It's my favorite flower. This color is white, pink, red, etc. I like this. There's a small tree. So interesting. There's also a tree. It's so interesting. And behind the tree, there are many flower trees. Some rose, some gate flowers, some leaf trees, etc. And there's a small tree. This leaf color is different. Some are pink, some are green, and some are yellow. And we can see also some gate flower, rose flower, etc. There's a big tree, leaf tree. I don't know this tree's name, but it looks so nice. And I also see a small tree. Its leaf color is different. Some are red, some are green and yellow, etc. Wow, there is a small tree, but its color is so nice. Some are white and green. I like this. Many persons come to see the garden
And visit
and visit this flower tree. I like this.